Hello to all my gorgeous people out there. It's Amina over here. I am back yet again. It was a little difficult for me to get back on track. It wasn't easy. Like working from home is actually tough and challenging, and during this quarantine we get so much emotionally drained and all of that sort. Like our brains are actually not functioning properly because we are just stuck at one place for so long. But we have to do this for our fellow people out there who are suffering, and we should pray for them. So we are just like, I just like pushed myself and I said I have to do a video today. I just can't like be like kal karenge, tomorrow. I just had to do it. So I did this. And Deepika Padukone has always been one of my favorite icons. I love her so much. She's my most favorite actress, and I just love her. Like, she's so beautiful, so dainty, so elegant. I'm like, I just like, my heart skips a beat whenever I see her. I love her so much. So I thought, why not create something, create one of her looks. And I was like going through Instagram like 2-3 months ago, and I'm like, this look is so beautiful, I thought. And I had uploaded one of the pictures in Instagram, so I'll be attaching it somewhere here. So she had uploaded one picture in a few pictures in Instagram, and I saw this and I'm like, I have to recreate this. I just have to recreate it. I wanted to recreate one of the famous celebrities, but it had to be Deepika Padukone because I love her so much. So people want to know how I recreated this, so do keep on watching. So starting ahead, I am going to take moisturizer first. I like keep mentioning this again and again that moisturization is really important. So I'm going to take the Nivea's moisturizer body lotion. This is Cocoa body lotion. So I'm going to take a little primer. I'm going to take the Lakme Blur Perfecting primer, and I'm going to like apply it. Next, I'm going to take a little bit of concealer. For concealer, I'm taking the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Medium Beige, and I'm going to conceal my eyes. So I'm not going to apply any powder and set it. I'm going to directly go in with the eyeshadow. She had a full pinkish glittery eyelid going on, and she had no sort of darkened creases or anything of that sort. So I'm going to take this Wet n Wild palette, and I'm going to take the eyelid shade and apply it all over my lid, crease, everywhere, and even I'll take it till here. That eyeshadow going on till like her brow bone. So I'm going to take the eyelid shade, this shade over here. So I'm gonna take a more fluffier brush like this, and I'm gonna come a little more closer. I'm gonna buff everything in. I'm going to go ahead again with the same brush, and I'm going to buff everything in. So once my eyeshadow is done, I'm going to go ahead with the LA Girl Pro Conceal Brow Pencil in the shade Medium Brown, and I'm going to fill in my eyebrows. Once my brows are done, I'm going to go ahead with foundation. So for foundation, I'm taking the Maybelline Super Stay in the shade Golden 312, and I'm going to apply that. So once our foundation is done, I'm going to go ahead with concealer. For concealer, I'm taking the same LA Girl Pro Conceal and I'm going to apply that. So once that's done, I'm going to bake everything now. So I'm going to take the Fit Me in the shade medium and I'm going to apply that. We'll allow that to bake for a while, and once that's baking, I just hope I don't get it anywhere. So once we are baking, I'm going to take the L'Oreal Intensa mascara and I'm going to curl my eyelashes first. Then I'm going to apply a coat of mascara. She didn't have any. I feel that she didn't have any falsies on. She had a very strong set of mascara curled eyelashes going on. So I'm going to do the same. We have done the mascara. We are just going to dust off the bake. So for cheek, she had applied a very mild pink, and then she had applied a very blinding highlighter, which I love. So we are going to go ahead with blush. So I'm going to take the Deborah Milano blush in the shade 05 Cherry, and I'm going to apply that all over my cheeks. So once blush is done, I'm going to go ahead with highlighter. For highlighter, I'm taking the Revolution Pro Illuminate and I'm going to apply that on my cheek. For lipstick, she had a very crimson, orangish, reddish shade. I don't have anything of that sort. I'm going to take this Primer Plus Matte by Lakme in Choco Break and apply that. Take this Maybelline contouring palette from the shade Medium to Deep, and I'm going to take this pink shade over here and I'm going to apply that on my lips to give that little bit of crimson effect. So that did the trick of getting that lip color that I was desiring for. Next, what I'm going to do is get ready and come back. So this is my completed look, guys. I hope you like it, and this was super fun to do. Deepika Padukone has been one of my idols since like forever, and it was a pleasure doing this. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys really enjoyed my video, do like, share and subscribe. Do follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle will be down in the description box below, and what all products I use, I will link in everything down. So thank you guys for watching. I love you all. Mwah.